To use a Cash App debit card, start by ensuring you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device and an active account. The Cash App debit card, also known as the Cash Card, is a free, customizable, and reloadable debit card that is connected to your Cash App balance. First, you need to order your Cash Card from within the Cash App. To do this, tap the Cash Card tab on your Cash App home screen. Then follow the prompts to order your card. Once you have ordered your card, it will be mailed to you, and you will receive it within a few days. After receiving your Cash Card, you will need to activate it. To activate your card, open the Cash App, select the Cash Card tab, and tap Activate Cash Card. You will then be prompted to enter the CVV code and expiration date of your card to complete the activation process. To use your Cash Card, you can simply swipe, tap, or insert it at any merchant that accepts Visa. As the Cash Card is a Visa debit card, you can also use your Cash Card to withdraw cash from ATMs. Be aware that there may be fees associated with ATM withdrawals, so it is a good idea to check your account settings to see if you are eligible for fee-free ATM withdrawals. In addition to making purchases and withdrawals, you can also use your Cash Card to get instant discounts at certain merchants through the Cash App Rewards program. To access these rewards, open the Cash App, select the Cash Card tab, and browse the available rewards. To ensure the security of your account and card, it is essential to keep your Cash App and Cash Card information private and to never share your card details with anyone. You should also regularly check your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Cash App support. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively use your Cash App debit card to make purchases, withdraw cash, and take advantage of rewards and discounts.